All right, we got a 2025 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. We performed a little build on this one. As you can see, we got the American Adventure Labs fender chop kit. And that is so we can fit these 40-inch Toyo open country tires. We also got 17-inch KMC Beadlock wheels. Got the little retro Mojave edition decal. Got rock rails. And this firecracker red is sweet. Also went ahead just so we can fit that spare tire. Got the AEV Tire Carrier kit in the bed of the truck. Got LED lighting all the way around. EVO Fender Liners. Get a little close up on that. Got your Fox shocks, and of course that's standard with your Mojaves. Give you a little interior shot as well. Super clean. Got the Mojave stitching in the seats. Got the Freedom top, which is also painted to match. This also has a AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift. I mean, there are so many modifications that have been performed on this. I could be forgetting something. This is by far one of my favorite Jeep Gladiators, sitting at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Appreciate y'all doing this little walk around with me on this awesome build. This is one of those out the box, ready to go. That's what makes our dealership so unique. So we got tons of super cool builds, and we're putting them out daily. So it never stops. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our website if you're interested. Thank you guys. Y'all have a good one.